The 2016 Federal Budget Spouse Contribution Tax Offset Explained. This is general advice only. Please seek personal financial advice prior to making any decision. So what is the spouse contribution tax offset and what is it worth? It's worth $540 to the higher income earning spouse if they are going to be paying tax during the financial year. If you are not a taxpayer, as in you are under the tax-free threshold, there is no benefit of pursuing this strategy. How do you get the rebate? You need to put $3,000 into your spouse's superannuation fund as a spouse contribution. You need to inform superannuation fund that it is a spouse contribution. And finally, there are some criteria. The main one being the amount of assessable income of the lower income earning spouse. Under the current rules, prior to 1st of July 2017, the assessable income threshold is $10,800 and it scales back between $10,800 and $13,800 to the point that if your assessable income is greater than $13,800, there is no rebate that you can receive. There are changes in the federal budget of 3rd of May 2016 whereby they're going to increase that threshold from the 1st of July 2017 to $37,000. So the lower income earning spouse can earn up to $37,000 rather than $10,800, and the tax-paying higher income earning spouse can receive the $540 tax rebate. You do need to ensure that your spouse is eligible to receive the contribution. There are different rules proposed in the budget. So prior to the 1st of July 2017, if you are under 65 years of age, you are able to make spouse contributions. If you're between 65 and 69 years of age, the spouse needs to satisfy the work test, which is 40 hours in 30 days in a period throughout the financial year. You need to satisfy that work test, and if you do, or the spouse does, then you can make the spouse contribution. Under the current rules, if you are over 70 years of age, you are not eligible to make spouse contributions. Now, the May 2016 budget announced new rules whereby you can make spouse contributions, or these are non-concessional contributions, up to the age of 74, and it's only once you are over 75 years of age that you can no longer make these spouse contributions. So there are different rules that have been announced in the budget. You need to make sure that those rules are legislated before you assume that they are correct. And of course, you need to make sure that your spouse's contribution limits are not exceeded. There is a proposed lifetime limit of $500,000 that has been announced commencing budget night, the 3rd of May 2017, but backdated until the 1st of July 2007. So you need to make sure that you have not exceeded your contribution limit as well. If you'd like to learn more or ask questions, go to cornerstonewealth.com.au/budget 2016.